name was Bleached. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are shade.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have the pleasure of working with Aligrace hair. I want to thank them so much for allowing me to try out this wig. This is everything that came in my packaging.
I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off the love, don't know how to behave.
They sent me out their 6x5 pre-cut wear and go wig. It is pre-bleached. It is also pre-plucked. If you want more of a scalpy like look, you can go in and pluck it some more, but it does give a natural pre-plucked hairline. The texture on this wig is straight. It is a 24-inch and the density is 180% density.
Now behind the story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Alright y'all, so again, this wig is their easy install wig. It's ready to wear and ready to go. So all you have to do is really apply it to your head. You can style it to your liking. I did straighten it and press it out some. But it's super easy and pretty much ready to install. The lace is pre-cut. The knots are pre-bleached, so you don't have to do any customization to this wig if you don't want to.
I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Bleached. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high up your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar.
This wig is super convenient for my ladies that are super busy or that need something that's ready to wear and ready to go. And it's also very convenient for beginners, for those who are new to wigs and don't know necessarily what they're doing, but they want something that looks good. This is a great wig for you as well. The hair on this wig is super silky. This hair is also 100% human hair, so you can style this wig with your hot tools. I used my straightening iron on this hair, and I think the temperature that I used was like a 425 degrees. So again, this is 100% human hair, so you can use hot tools on this hair. But yeah, y'all, again, the wig was so easy to put on. Like, it's really self-explanatory from the footage. I had no issues with this wig. When styling this wig with my hot tools, I did not get any melting hairs on my flat iron, so that indicated to me that it is 100% human hair. The only thing I did to style this wig is I did add some light face framing layers in the front of the wig. And that was pretty much it. I wore this glueless. I did put a little bit of my bedhead hard head hairspray on top of the lace just to adhere the lace to my skin so it can melt in more seamlessly for my preference. But as you can see, I showed you all in the clips that you can wear this 100% glueless. Just add your foundation that matches your complexion underneath the lace, which that's what I did, and you're good to go. It does have an elastic band, as you saw, and it also has combs on the side. I took the combs out, but you can use the combs as well to keep the wig in place. So yeah, a very, very convenient, very easy, very beginner friendly wig. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say about this wig. I do want to thank Aligrace Hair for allowing me to try out this wig. Once again, I really appreciate y'all so much. And thank each and every one of you for watching this video. I really, really appreciate y'all. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video.
About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing.